So this is the GravaStar Mercury X Pro. It's a super light wireless gaming mouse with an 8000Hz polling rate and a hollowed out magnesium alloy case priced around $140. It's available in 3 different colors and I have the matte black color variant in this video. Included in the box is the user manual, a paracord Type A to Type C cable, extra grip tape, mouse gates and fiber cloth, the 8000Hz receiver that has a non-slip base and connects through the Type C port, and the mouse itself, which is super light, around 49 grams or 0.11 pounds. Alright, the mouse has this organic hollowed out design in the magnesium alloy case, which allows the RGB to shine through. On the left there's more vents and the 2 programmable buttons, and on the right there's just the vents here. On the bottom there is 5 Teflon skates, the tri-mode toggle and DPI switch in the middle, with the POR 3950 optical sensor right under as well. Here you can also see the PCB inside, which has the name and polling rate printed on. As for the shape, it's quite ergonomic with a height of 40.5mm and a width of 59.2mm. I'm a claw grip user, so it's perfect for me, but it also will work fine for palm grip and finger grip users too. The 8000Hz receiver looks like this when plugged in. It will shine green when in use and will change to a pulsating blue when not, as you can see. There is no USB dongle included for the X Pro, but you can still use it with the wire given or pair it through Bluetooth 5.1 for other devices. But do keep in mind that the 8000Hz is not supported with Bluetooth. Moving on to the specifications, it has the PixArt POR 3950 sensor, which is really precise with a max DPI of 32,000. On top of that, the 8000Hz polling rate makes the mouse super responsive with a fast 0.125 milliseconds of latency. This is much quicker than the 1000 and 4000Hz polling rate most mice use. For the switches, it comes with the Tamron switches with a lifespan of 100 million clicks. And here is a quick sound test of how they sound. The battery in here is 400 mAh and it lasted me over 70 hours of use with the 8000Hz mode and the RGB off. This is decent in my opinion, as it is a super light mouse with a really high polling rate, and you can just charge it for a few minutes to play another match or two. Carrying on to the customization, the mouse comes with a web-based control hub. This allows you to set different profiles, remap all of the buttons on the mouse and set the debounce time, configure the DPI, polling rate and sensor settings, create and set macros, choose the RGB lighting effects like the brightness, speed and duration, as well as access other settings about the mouse here. Diving into the performance while gaming, I mainly used it in Marvel Rivals as that's all I'm playing now, to be honest. The mouse works extremely well with no lag or latency at all. The fast 8000Hz polling rate really allows me to flick and track targets in-game instantly. So here are some clips of me using the mouse in-game if you're interested.
Judge, jury, executioner! Judge, jury, executioner! I'm good to go.
Okay, here are my final thoughts on the GravaStar Mercury X Pro. Honestly, the price is a little high at $140, but other gaming mice on the market can't even come close. The Mercury X Pro stands out with its unmatched combination of an 8000Hz wireless polling rate and an ultra lightweight 49-gram design. Plus, the web-based driver allows easy customization of the mouse without any bloat that usually comes with other gaming softwares. So if you're looking for an extremely fast and lightweight gaming mouse with a unique futuristic look, this might be the one for you. As always, everything will be linked in the description below if you're interested, and that does it for this video. Thanks to GravaStar for the mouse, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.